Hey everyone, and welcome back to Everything Tesla Stock. If you're bullish about Tesla, this video is for you. We'll be providing you with an overview of the most recent news and events surrounding the company so you can decide whether or not to invest in it. The stock price of Tesla has been rising recently, and this trend is expected to continue. In this video, we'll share some bullish news about Tesla, including the impending split that should drive prices even higher. So grab your bullhorns and get ready for today's video. But before we begin, please hit the like button, subscribe, and enable notifications if you enjoy this kind of content. The news stories and headlines below demonstrate how fantastic Tesla's year has been thus far. As a result, news about Tesla is something that many people, including Tesla stock investors and owners of Tesla cars, are interested in. One of the top headlines about Tesla today is the fact that the U.S. has just passed the EV tax credit, which is fantastic news for Tesla owners. Tesla is currently the most valuable automobile manufacturer in the world. This is largely due to the fact that it differs significantly from its rivals in appearance and operates much more like a technological firm. According to analysis, the EV tax credit offers a tax credit of $7,500 for each electric vehicle that consumers in the U.S. buy or lease. This is a fantastic opportunity for those who just want to buy an electric car but don't want to pay the full cost up front. Owners of electric vehicles will be greatly impacted by the recently enacted Inflation Reduction Act, even though some vehicles that qualified this month won't be for the near future. Certain well-known electric vehicles may once again apply and qualify for the tax credit. The Electric Vehicle Tax Credit, which is a part of the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022, is expected to drive significant growth in the sales of the electric vehicles over the next few years and ultimately increase the price of Tesla stock on the market, according to CNN. Customers who purchased new electric vehicles received a tax credit of $7,500 until the automaker hit a maximum of 200,000 tax credits. Customers who purchased plug-in hybrid vehicles received a smaller credit. Plug-in hybrid cars will still be eligible for the portion of the credit that is created by the Inflation Reduction Act, along with new income restrictions. The new credit, created by the Inflation Reduction Act, replaces the old one and removes the 200,000 cap immediately, but it also introduces additional limitations on supply chains, batteries, and assembly that are implemented gradually. Additionally, the new law sets new restrictions on car prices. Another story that generated news about Tesla was Elon Musk's recent statement that the company's main product, the Tesla bot, will be their Optimus humanoid robot. Thanks to the company's advancements in artificial intelligence, the Tesla Optimus might potentially disrupt the job market. He also shared additional information about the upcoming humanoid, including his thoughts on the robot's design. In his article, Musk discussed a variety of topics, such as renewable energy, Neuralink's SpaceX, and the real-world uses for Optimus. Musk reiterated his earlier assertion that the goal of the Tesla bar is to replace human labor in boring, dangerous, and repetitive tasks. The article was published in the China Cyberspace magazine. Musk went on to say that the objective of Optimus is to have the robots serve millions of homes globally. Tesla bots are designed to replace people in dangerous and repetitive tasks, but their ultimate goal is to serve millions of households by doing things like cooking, mowing lawns, and taking care of the elderly. It's interesting to note that Musk said that the Tesla bot's design was chosen because people are used to interacting with humanoid forms. Given that the bot will be a part of human society, it makes sense that it would have human characteristics. It is about the size and weight of an adult, able to carry and pick up heavy objects, move quickly in small steps, and have a screen on its face that serves as an interactive interface for communication. You might be wondering why we built this robot with legs. Well, human society is built around the interactions of a bipedal humanoid with 2 arms and 10 fingers. Therefore, in order for a robot to function similarly to humans in terms of size, shape, and capabilities, it must resemble humans in all respects. Elon Musk wrote in his essay that Tesla's current priorities are improving Optimus's intelligence and figuring out how to solve the problem of mass manufacturing robots. While this may seem like a difficult hill to climb, Musk noted that Tesla has faced similar challenges in the past, most notably with the Model 3 ramp. Musk also pointed out that as the volume of production of the Tesla bot increases, its cost will also decrease, making it more affordable for consumers. The robot's internal electronics will be powered by Tesla's full self-driving computer and placed in its front according to previous decisions. This Faqts computer interface, which is also present in the Model 3 XSY and Roadster, is supposed to be how the Spot would function. It might end up looking like the 2004 film's ENS 5 robot. Robot Musk also attempted to address any apprehensions of a scene similar to that in Terminator. Naturally, this is meant to be amicable. Musk said during the first Tesla bot launch last year that humans might, in an emergency, outrun and defeat the Tesla Optimus. "Let us navigate a world made for mankind," Musk said. Tesla's goal is to produce practical AI that people enjoy and is absolutely fantastic. Following last year's Tesla AI Day, Elon Musk stated that we should be concerned about AI. Companies like Amazon and Walmart presently use robots and industrial settings to do a range of professions. The impending Tesla stock split is the other noteworthy item to discuss. Although the company's shares had already been split just 2 years prior, the announcement of Tesla's plan to split its stock earlier this summer surprised many. Nevertheless, the additional split was undoubtedly approved by shareholders and the Tesla board of directors, as the 3-to-1 split was formally approved on August 5th. It will only be a matter of days till that split. The second crucial detail that Tesla's current and potential investors should be aware of is the amount of the forward stock split. The split is scheduled to occur on August 25, 2022, right before the market opens. This may be the most crucial piece of information for investors to be aware of. In June, Tesla proposed a 341 split, which would have increased the number of outstanding shares by a factor of 3 and allowed the corporation's share price to reach a third of its current value. In a vote on August 4, Tesla's shareholders approved the company's planned split. A 3-for-1 stock split would lower the company's share price from its closing price of August 16 to roughly $306.56 per share. As previously stated, forward stock splits have no effect on a company's market cap. In the case of Tesla, the share price will drop to a third of its current value, while the number of outstanding shares will triple. This makes the split even more important for regular investors. The share price decline from about $920 to little over $306 will be significant for regular investors, though, as they will not have access to fractional share purchases through that online broker. Undoubtedly, the principal benefactors of Tesla's impending stock split will be individual investors who have made substantial contributions to the company's valuation, which has approached $1 trillion. It's also crucial to remember that Tesla's August 25 stock split will not have any impact whatsoever on business as normal, indicating that its advantages will remain unaffected. In addition to being the first automaker to build itself from scratch to mass production in more than 50 years, Tesla has used to achieve one of the highest company valuations in history. This year, the company may reach a significant psychological milestone. Despite COVID-19 lockdowns, Tesla looks to be making good progress toward producing and delivering 1 million electric vehicles by the year 2022. Tesla's batteries continue to stand out in an increasingly competitive industry despite slower output at the Shanghai Gigafactory. In addition to their production advantages, Tesla's batteries have a higher power range and capacity than the bulk of competing electric